I believe that Fairy Meadow is one of the best suburbs in Wollongong. Why? Well, Fairy Meadow Shopping Centre has everything you could ask for. Wonderful boutiques, all the major supermarkets, terrific restaurants and superb coffee shops. These are just some of the reasons why I love Fairy Meadow. On top of all this home has been in the family for almost 65 years. Yes, 65 years. It was built by the father. Now that is saying something. This owner has loved the convenience of the location, and this weatherboard home has been lovingly cared for and in great condition. You will enjoy the generous living room, which easily flows to the open kitchen and dining areas. There's 3 spacious bedrooms, the modernised bathroom is great, and the sunroom at the rear of the house faces north, so you can enjoy sunlight all year round. All tradesmen will enjoy the super long garage and single carport, and the gardeners amongst us will love the front yard and north facing backyard. So if you are looking for your first home or want to right size into a single level home, a short walk to everything, this is for you. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and you are going to love this home at 4 Jardine Street, Fairy Meadow. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.